What is up, guys? Doka here. In this video, I'm going to show you the results that I got for my first week of trading futures. Like I mentioned in the previous video, I only trade the 1 hour time frame and I only trade the Nasdaq. This week that just passed, I was about to only get into one trade, and that was on Friday. As you can see here, this is the Nasdaq, and I only trade the pullback strategy using the pin bar. So I keep that vertical line to show you the start of the week and the end of the week. So everything that you see here is from Monday to Friday. As you can see here on that chart, I had on June 2nd, I was not able to trade this candle, neither this candle. The reason being because the trade or the signal candle exceeds 100 points. So the maximum that I'm allowed to trade is 100 points. As you can see here on Friday, was it Friday? Let's see. On Thursday, we had a break below and close below here, that level. And then I was looking for the pullback. Although we had what's called a double bottom at that level, when I back tested my strategy, I did not take into account whether or not if I have a double bottom or double top followed by a signal candle, I should not get involved. My thing is, I just look for a signal candle to get involved. So I got my signal candle at 6 a.m. So the 6 a.m. candle was my signal candle. I'm going to check for you how many points. So the signal itself was 44 points plus my stop loss of 5 points above. Then this is 49. So I had a 49-point stop loss on this very signal. So I got an entry at the 7 a.m. candle. The way I trade this strategy, I take my first target at the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and I take my secondary target at a 2-to-1. So my 1-to-1 was at the next candle, right? As you can see here, my 1-to-1 was at the 7 a.m. candle. And after I got out with my first exit, then I roll my stop 1 point below my entry. Then I wait for my secondary target to get hit. So as you can see here, 2 hours later, I was out in that trade. Now, even though I was out in that trade with a 2-to-1 on the secondary target, what did the market do? The market just tanked. So the entire day, Friday, was a sell-off day. As you can see here, we had more bearish candles than we have bullish. We only have one bullish candle. Then we only had bearish candles. So on my FundNX account, as you can see here, that was a trade. The first target lasted about 23 minutes and the second one lasted about an hour and a half. So as you can see here, $394 was made on the first target, and then $378 was made on the secondary target. So not bad for one trade that took place on Friday. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video.